the unboxing of SEBO Felix. Now the SEBO Felix is now being carried in two colors, red and black. This is a red one. You also have the option of getting it in black. Let's see what's inside and what you need to do with it. All right. Ah, beautiful. So that's the vacuum body right there. That's the hole. Right here, you're going to have attachments right there. You also get a crevice tool. You do get an upholstery brush. That's the hose. Now you do get two floor attachments to go with it. You get the famous SEBO combo brush. This is a really good tool on any type of a bare floor and low pile rugs. And obviously we're here. This is really cool. I'll show you later how you could actually use this tool. This has a really cool feature. One of my favorites actually. And the ET1 powerhead. Very straightforward. I'm going to put the powerhead on first because I need the vacuum standing up. We'll put everything else in here for now, and I'll show you how that's done. So this is pretty straightforward. The canister just basically sits right on the powerhead right here and clicks in. Oh, hallelujah. There we go. And that's that. The hose, this is the end that goes into that opening there. This clicks right in there. And that's pretty much all you need to do setting this up.